leukorrhea and what is the white color or milky or the blackish color, grey color, white color, or it is kind of the brownish color. So these and all yellowish color discharge. There are the many reasons to causes the leukorrhea. This generally it is the usual one being is the estrogen imbalance. So most of the times is the estrogen is the key. It is usually is the non-pathological symptom, secondary inflammatory conditions of vagina. Most of the times it is normally you can see that few drops of the leukorrhea is existing, that normally to be considered as a normal healthy life, and then there is no pathological defect. But at the same time, when there is a predominantly happening continuously and constantly every day, so that should be considered as a need to be worried. So whether it is related to the not normal level, it is related to the some not only inflammatory, that also related to the some other conditions like which includes the malignancy and the hormonal changes. It sometimes occur before the girl has her first period and is considered as a sign of the puberty. Even that time also possible is there. At the same time when the menopause is there, that time also pre-menopause syndrome, even that time also chances are there to getting the leukorrhea. Even when that condition, is it possible only we can leave it that leukorrhea? So really this is not good. Even today the people, especially the girls who are suffering for the back pain, majorly it is related to the leukorrhea condition. So people understand कि नहीं ये कर लो वो कर लो, ultrasound करो, फिर X-ray पकड़ो, CT scan, MRI, all these things are required. But you understand it is related to the spasm patient is getting the pain. It is related to the pelvic issues causing the reflecting the pain on the back region. So all these things are crucial before treating the patient. But however, if any girl or woman is affected this leukorrhea continuously, then also certainly she get the pain on the lower back. So that indicates that there is a treatment to be taken place for the leukorrhea. Therefore, until you don't treat, again it leads to, you can see that when we send to the report to the biopsy, and after taking the method from there, again there is anything growth is there, then again it leads to the serious complications, right? Not only the pain here we have mentioned as a malignancy, also cancer also it may have chances, but nothing to worry whoever having the problem. But there is a simple and a proper solution also are there to get rid of this issue. So liver and gallbladder, so all these things are connected here, which already I told you it will support. At the same time, there are the small and noticeable amounts of the discharge if the chi is strong and then spleen is transforming and transporting the properly. Right? Discharge is also regulated by the Ren and Goyman vessels. Regular discharge has no color, only the clear white, and no odors. So if odor is there, then you understand there is some kind of the inflammation and timidity, and this is slightly sticky. Around ovulation, late luteal phase, and during the pregnancy, there is a slightly more chances are there. Discharge is considered abnormal if the amount is more and the density, color and odors are noticeable. When this is abnormal, you can find the color also get differs, and then smell also very bad smell, and there is the density, that means is the very thick, can be noticeable. Poor diet or overwork may lead to the spleen deficiency, right? When there is a proper hygienic food is not taken place properly, when the overload of the work, that also related to the accumulation of the dampness, it may happen on the lower burner, especially the spleen and pancreas get excessive, which leads to this problem. So therefore, even the non-hygienic, especially the girls, goes to the various restrooms, goes to the public toilets. In that condition, they use the water, or sometimes they don't use the water. Even both are indicated. If the normal proper water also, there is a virus or bacterial water is there within that contaminated partially, that directly affected to the your condition. Certainly, why females are getting more predominantly to getting leukorrhea or vaginal infection? What would be the reason? What are the reasons to cause this leukorrhea, especially for the girls? Why the infection, mixturization, and burning sensation this leukorrhea causes? Yes. Then, and yes, sorry. Yes, that also another reason. Then, good, excessive heat also causes the problem. Okay. They don't take enough water. They don't nourish the water. Yes. Good. Then, At the same time, non-hygienic sometimes. You told me that there is, when they use the public toilets or they go outside, and some girls or women, they don't take it the water sometimes. They don't use the water. So that also sometimes it causes the problem. Right? Sometimes is the over sexual activity also leads to this problem. So kidney Qi deficiency usually arises from the multiple child births, right? When the lot of children are there, maybe like 5, 6, 7, 8 in those days, So in that condition also it leads to that problem because of the kidney get deficiency, and because of that accumulation of the amines in the lower burner, especially when the excess damp with the liver. So which is the dampness point? That means nothing but is the liver 3. So Qi stagnation may generate the heat which may lead to the abnormal discharges, as you rightly said. There is a point. Thigh is the point which we call as the gallbladder 26, where exactly located at the lateral end of the umbilicus and the bilaterally, where the very close and distal to the Chungwan, that is liver 13 point. So liver 13 and then gallbladder 26, both the points are recommended to treat for the leukorrhea. Leukorrhea is the heat sensation is there, but I'll tell you the classical point also. Listen to the clinical points in the beginning, later on I'll tell you the classical points. How to use only the single point to treat for the leukorrhea. Right? So now you just come down, there is another point called as a Chung Chi, that is liver Ren 3. Ren 3 point is located 4 chun below the navel. Right? So here you can see the Dai Mai is the belt channel. Belt channel is governing to the uterus. Belt channel is governing to the pelvic organs. Because you wanted to know about the uterine functions can be regulated, that one point I will suggest you, that point to be called as a motor point. That point is 3 chun distal to the navel, and then 3 chun lateral to the anterior midline. Bilaterally you just activate, there are the 2 motor points which is governing to the uterine muscles, which governing to the uterine system, which governing to the ovaries and fallopian tubes. Right? That point is, there is no name. Just you mention 3 chun distal to this navel, and then 3 chun lateral to the navel. 3 chun lateral to the midline. You understand? So this is the navel, 3 chun below, 3 fingers below, and then 3 fingers lateral. This that means 3 chun lateral. From there are the 2 points here. Right? These 2 points are regulating to the uterine muscles. And there is especially the ovarian cyst and fallopian tube issues. The fallopian tube get blockages. That condition you can use these 2 points as a local point which having the motor effect. Right, Ren 3 always you remember, whenever the patient have the problem with the uterus, fallopian tubes or the ovaries or the cervix or the uterus, so certainly you can use the point is Chung Chi, that point is Ren 3. Always is good point. So when you wanted to give the moxibustion to this particular point, so otherwise if the patient is there, you ask him to give the pressure. So with the 2 fingers you just give the pressure like this and then release. Give the pressure and then release. Give the pressure and then release. There is a marma point is there. You just place one thumb. For example, here you need to place. You just place one thumb and another thumb. You just place it on the top. Give the pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Again you just give the pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Again you just give the pressure. So this kind of the marma points also located below the navel. That means exactly you wanted to regulate the menstruation or you wanted to get rid of the leukorrhea. Even the girl itself can possibly to do the same. So she need to lie down and then give the pressure on the pubic region. Exactly where we call as a chuku. Chuku is nothing but is the Ren 2 point. So you just give the pressure there and then release. Give the pressure and then release. So in the similar way can be done multiple times to regulate the menstruation if they are not getting properly. But however, the root cause we need to find out and treat the patient. But in fact, as per the TCM, so you just activate the points. If there is minute blockages are there, minute issues are there, without taking any MRI, without taking any ultrasound, certainly you can do the needful to the patient. Now there are the points which we called as a spleen 6 already I told you, and then liver 2, liver 3, this area need to be massaged and then knead it. You just massage it or you just knead it, that always is good. Remember that liver 2 and liver 3 point is, you need not to apply the needle, but massage also quite enough. Ask her to do the massage. In fact, liver 2, liver 3, the whole area to be considered as a liver area, you understand. Don't think that half chun proximal to the web margin, that is Sing Chian, and then 2 chun proximal to the web margin is Thai chun. Don't remember like that. But however, there is the point to be actually, there is a headache is there. Even this, the 4 gates we consider Li4 and then liver 3. Li4 also need the whole area. When you need the whole area, is not one particular point, the hollow area. In the similar way, here also the whole area. Between the first and then second metatarsal bone, the whole area you can activate this area. So now the yellow color is liver 3 and then pink color is liver 2. But in between there is a gap. If you apply this to the needle on liver 2 area is better. You applied upper region or the lower region etc. This area, that means you are activating to the liver system. So therefore when you want it to accurately, you want it to do, because of this works for the deep peroneal nerve. When you are activating to that nerve, due to that reason this point is good point and distal point for the knee also. When the person is suffering for the knee pain, especially on the medial side of the knee, you just activate the another point is liver 8 and then you just activate the liver 3. Both are recommended here. You wanted to use another point for the medial side of the knee pain, add up the spleen 9 also good. So all these muscles, this is called as a peroneal nerve and this is the anterior tibialis nerve. Right, when both are connected here, then suddenly there is a relief. You wanted to add up on the above points. Suhai, I told you, spleen 10. All are connected to the leucoria and also pelvic related and also connecting to the knee as well. Right, spleen 10 point is sartorius muscles. The medial sartorius muscles that covers, at the same time that point is the mother point for the blood. At the same time meeting point of the blood called as a spleen 10, right? So therefore spleen 10 is always is good for any kind of the especially anything the word comes as the blood deficiency, blood excessiveness or the blood related anemia related diseases or bleeding disorders or the irregular menstruation, then remember the point called as a suhai, you just add up. But however along with that you just add up these other points. But is it possible to activate all the points at a time? It is wrong. The first step, you just first round you select now a few points, the second round you select the another set of the points, in the third round you select the another set of the points, right? In the similar way you need to be activate timely, but at the same time in the wrong proportional way of the transformation and transportation of the energy should not be taken place. When you are applying liver 3 and you are applying to the some other command points at the same time is not recommended. When you are using liver 3 and P3, both the points is at the same time is not recommended. Most of the times it causes the adverse reaction timely. Right, liver 8 you know all, it is the mother point which is communicating to the kidney and the liver together. So that point is located the anterior to the tibialis tendon. Right. So when you activate this point, then you understand there is a communication to the hepatic organ, then communicating to the kidney organ itself, right? So therefore, this point also good point to treat for mostly the pelvic related disorders, because of liver is supporting to the kidneys. So here we have mentioned another point called as a cilio. Cilio is UB32, right? So this point is located on the second sacral foramen on the 1.5 chun lateral to the spine. So this point works for the sacral nerves and also the pudendal nerves. So this directly communicating to the pelvic arc. So when you wanted to apply this, make sure there is a hollow depression. Through that depression, you try to find out where is the sacrum. So ask them to lie down on the prone position, on the abdomen. Right? When they lie down, then certainly you just, if there is the thin person without clumsy, then you directly press the vertebrae on the UB meridian and then you find the sacrum. From the sacrum there is only the hard plate. So in that there are the holes, right? You can find, this is the plate. So here you can find 1, 2, 3, 4. Bilaterally 1, 2, 3, 4. This is sacrum 1, this is sacrum 2, 3 and then 4. This is sacrum 5. Then this is coccyx, right? So in this way, when you wanted to activate this, you just apply the needle inside the sacrum. Still you wanted to know very ideally where is it, then as per the, if there is adult man and then woman is there, you just touch the coccyx. When you touch to the coccyx on the back with the middle finger, when you touches to the middle finger, from there you just communicate the 9 inches above, 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter above from the coccyx, and then 2 centimeter lateral. This point you will get for the every adult man or girl, right? So this point is when you select that properly, when that is communicating. If you apply only on the surface level, it doesn't work until it doesn't go down to directly with the foramen hollow and communicating to the nerve called as a pudendal nerve. So that having the therapeutic effect. Always you remember when you apply the back needling, so that should be deeper level. Certainly the patient feel the pain and some particular movement during the pricking. Later on the patient will be all right.